In this tutorial, I will show you how to adjust layers in Canva to create a multi-layer effect. First, open Canva and load the design you want to edit. Your canvas may contain several elements like images, shapes, icons, or text that overlap each other. These overlapping items are called layers. Click on the element you want to adjust. Once it is selected, look at the top toolbar and click Position. This option allows you to control how elements are stacked in your design. Inside the Position menu, you will see options like Forward, Backward, to Front, and to Back. Moving an element forward places it above other objects, while sending it backward moves it behind other elements. If your design contains many overlapping items, you can open the Layers view in the Position panel. This shows a list of all elements on your canvas from front to back. You can drag elements up or down in the list to rearrange their order. To enhance the multi-layer effect, you can add visual depth. Select an element, then click Edit Photo or Effects and apply options like Shadow, Glow, or Adjust Transparency. After arranging your layers and applying effects, your design will have a cleaner and more professional multi-layer look.